This is a 2004 GMC Sierra 1500. It has the Vortec 4.3 liter V6 and a 5-speed manual transmission. It's very economical. This is a one-owner vehicle. We do know the original owner of this very well. It has only about 85,000 miles on it. It's a very clean truck. No major accidents. Clean Carfax. It's been well maintained. Most of the mileage is highway. You should expect many more years of good service out of this truck. It's much cleaner than your average. I'll go ahead and open the doors here. It does have a anti-theft system. The mileage on this truck, we'll see if we can get that. 85,915 is the miles. I'll pop the hood for you. If you need any more pictures or any more information about this, you can always call us. Area code 520-293-1010. 520-293-1010. Our website is www.nelsonrv.com. Thanks.